Here we are at the Route 66 Museum in Clinton, Oklahoma. A little bit of roadside nostalgia as you drive down 66. They have museums in several states along the way. This is just one that we stopped in. The price of admission is, I think, $5 or $7, and they have a discount for veterans. It's a lot of interesting things to see as you walk through. If you've ever driven down Route 66 in the past, many of these things, although gone now, you would have enjoyed or remembered as you're traveling. Many of the YouTubers out there have covered many parts of Route 66. I don't know if there's a video out there with anybody that has done this museum in particular or not. Probably. Anyway, it's not very big, but it'll take you about an hour to go through. You enter through the gift shop. As you can see, we're walking through the gift shop now. And they have lots of memorabilia and nostalgic stuff to buy, as well as collectibles and magnets. And okay, here we go. In we go. I'll be cutting back in to narrate from time to time. There's a lot of stuff it talks about things that have changed along the way and the people and places along the way. And just up the road from this is the Stratford Air Museum, and there's also a video on that. Hope you enjoy this video. pay pretty close attention here, you might even see the new Green Deal. Well, maybe not the Green Deal. Wait for it. As I looked at some of the pictures, took me back to the times when the California Highway Patrol, there they are. Maybe not the California, but. And then you'll see some filling station attendants. I remember having my gas pumped for me, and I remember the Highway Patrol being out there on the highway. However, it was more in terms of the TV shows like Chips with Punch and John. There's those attendants. Wonder if they had to go to school for all that. It's fun to walk through history and see how it all played together. See how many people played a hand in making history in the country and how it all evolved to what it is today. Many things that are gone will never be back again. But you have to make way for change. I remember hitchhiking across the country. Well, not across the country, maybe across a couple states. Back then it was safe and you could have a good time and meet a lot of interesting people. Today, you might as well be packing a gun because you might be sitting next to a serial killer. You just never know. What are the chances of two of them sitting side by side? There's something that takes me back. Volkswagen Flower Power Van. Many people, there's nothing in this about the California Jam or Woodstock or any of that, but I remember the California Jam and seeing a lot of people come in on their way there, and there might have been a van there, and in the process of pumping somebody's gas, I might have seen one of these. Not this one, but remember, if you're thinking of booking a rally or hooking up with somebody on the road and need some direction or would like to tour with us as we tour the lower 48, please keep us in mind. We are RV Caravan with Us. If there's a video or a museum that you'd like to see, please feel free to drop us a line or leave a note here on the channel, and we'll answer it as best we can or make our way out to where you'd like to see a video. If you'd like to get a few of your friends together and have a rally at one of these locations, we can arrange that too. We're a one-stop shop for your rallies and tours. We also do event planning. Drive-in movie theaters. As we drove across, we saw many of them that were no longer in operation. I remember growing up as a kid going to the drive-in movie theater. Matter of fact, in San Antonio, I think there is still one there. I don't think it's in operation. I think they use it for a farmer's market now, because we went there during that time that they had the farmer's market, and I think it was on a weekend. Well, everybody, we're almost to the end of this museum. We're going to end it in the gift shop where we came in at, and here we are in the gift shop. Pretty well stocked with anything you could possibly want to know or think of as a collectible off of Route 66. We hope you enjoyed it. We hope you'll subscribe and follow us on YouTube as well as Facebook. Thanks for watching.